Welcome to the Insurance Agents and Brokers Podcast.
Hello and welcome to the audio version of Claire-ification. My name is Claire Pantaloni and I'm the VP of Advocacy at IA&B. Claire-ification is a bi-monthly guidance column in Primary Agent Magazine. The question posed for the August 2023 column is, one of our carriers wants to extend the expiration date of the policy. Is that permissible? They are also asking us to look for coverage elsewhere. The answer is, when this change in expiration date happens, most often on a commercial lines account, it is generally followed by a non-renewal notice. In our 3 states of Pennsylvania, Maryland, and Delaware, the answer to the question would be no, it is not permissible. A carrier cannot unilaterally extend the policy renewal date to meet the advance non-renewal notice requirement. So, what options does the customer have? When faced with this situation, the customer can file a complaint with a regulator. Most insurance departments have an online platform to submit a complaint. Why is it not permissible? Most agents are familiar with the statute that governs policy non-renewals and cancellations. The statutes vary by state, but generally provide a time frame for insurers to non-renew a policy. In order to do so, the insurer is required to send a non-renewal notice a certain number of days in advance of the policy's expiration date. In this case, it is likely that the carrier failed to send the notice within the time frame allotted. However, artificially extending the renewal date to circumvent the issue is not proper. If the insurer missed the window for a non-renewal notice, the insurer should carry the risk for another year. Following a recent complaint, IA&B took the matter to the Pennsylvania Insurance Department. The department confirmed that they believe the regulation does not allow carriers to modify the expiration date of the policy when the carrier misses the 60-day advance notice of non-renewal. Policyholders need certainty that their coverage program is secured for 12 months and not at the mercy of inappropriate renewals. The Maryland Insurance Administration and the Delaware Department of Insurance confirmed their interpretation was the same. As the market hardens, and it has, it is important for members to be aware of this restriction so they can better assist their commercial customers. Naturally, this applies to a regular non-renewal, not one where there are issues of misrepresentation, fraud, or any scenario that would be cause for a midterm cancellation. For additional information on policy non-renewals and cancellations, check our online resources at iab4me.com/carrier-resources. If you have any questions, you can reach me at clairep@iabforme.com or 717-918-9202. This is all for this month's Claire-ification. Thank you for listening.
Insurance Agents and Brokers is the premier resource and champion for independent insurance agencies in Pennsylvania, Maryland, and Delaware. For more information, visit iab4me.com. This is not a legal opinion and should not be relied upon as such. The intent is to provide general background regarding the topics discussed, not to provide legal advice. Producers and agencies should consult an attorney regarding specific situations and questions with respect to the topics covered. Neither IA&B or any of its employees shall be responsible for any errors or omissions regarding any statements, nor any statutes, regulations, court rules, and/or government documents cited.